Hey guys, it's Elliot here with Worldwide TV, and I'm joined by Jim Pope, one of our specialists here at Worldwide Auctioneers, and we're here today with a 2005 Ford GT. Now, if you know anything about these cars, they pretty much speak for themselves, but this one is very, very special. Jim, you want to tell us a little bit about what makes this 2005 Ford GT just a little bit better than your normal Ford GT?
Well, the biggest thing that you got, Elliot, is that it's one that's unique with all four options. So everything that you would want in a Ford GT, you know, with the stripe, with the brakes, it's just amazing condition, amazing car, clean CARFAX, service records, etc. Just one of the unique cars that only has a little over 2,000 miles and only one owner from new.
Wow.
So it hasn't been passed through 6, 7 guys, you know, as a collector car.
And with 2,000 miles, it wasn't not driven.
Correct.
It was driven enough. That's actually right in the sweet spot of where you'd want these things. And like I said, they're just such special cars built to celebrate Ford's 100-year anniversary. And well, I mean, it was the most powerful Ford production car ever produced at the time. And trust me, they're still plenty powerful today. And like I said, they're just such a timeless, beautiful car and makes such a statement and would look good in anyone's collection or out on the road.
Yeah, anybody that's a true collector has got to have one of these as part of their, you know, blue chip stock car.
Exactly. And we are it's going to be going across the block Friday, January 26th at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And you can watch it here on Worldwide TV on our website, or if you could be in the Scottsdale area, come and join us and see this thing in real life. But either way, we will see you guys tomorrow at 11 a.m.